Apples are my number one. La 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 la. Which way now? My number one favorite fruit.
Bananas are my number one favorite fruit.
That's it. The number one goes with bananas. I'm off to Banana Street. Nobody else is here yet.
We're almost done. And Max never showed up. Why didn't he make it here?
I'm sure he completely forgot again.
That's right.
I must have fallen asleep. Where's everybody else? What is that? It's a fire! 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 The entire forest is going to burn down! What do I do? Think, Max, think! I have to alert the rescue team!
Oh, come on. Where did I put the key to the garage? Helly, I think it's time you taught me about Helly's way.
Go ask Max. You told me it's silly.
Go ask Max?
Mm-hmm. That's right. He told me he was having trouble remembering things, so I told him about Helly's way.
Huh? Fine. I guess I'll just have to go ask Max. Huh? Huh? You've reached the rescue team.
Jen, come quick! The forest is on fire!
What?
Give me your exact location so we can get you some help.
I don't know exactly where I am.
We don't have time to search every forest in Broomstown. Think carefully.
I can't remember.
Hey, Max, do you remember seeing anything along your way?
Let me think. Oh, yeah, I saw Annie eating a banana in her front yard. She said that bananas are her number one favorite fruit. It's Banana Street. I just remembered.
He's near Banana Street. It's by Owl Forest.
Good work, Max. Stay right there. We're on our way over now.
Holy!
Helly, you go get Max.
I'm on it. Hi, Max.
Helly!
Don't worry, Max. See? We're going to get you out.
All right.
Roy, Amber and I will take care of the smaller fire. Think you can handle the big one?
Of course.
It's making it spread through the forest.
Step back. Let me try.
Mary? Oh. Mary? Mary?
Queenie? What are you doing here?
I was playing a game of hide and seek.
This is not a playground. It's a dangerous work site.
I'm sorry. By the way, Terry, have you seen Mary anywhere?
Mary? No, I haven't seen her.
But where could Mary be?
I wish I had time to help you find her, but I have a schedule to keep. Cece is waiting for this. I should be going.
Fine. Goodbye. Oh. Huh? Mary! Terry! Stop! Oh, goodness! Oh, my gosh!
Helly, get to the port. Make sure Cece doesn't go anywhere.
Okay.
And I'm next.
It's really nice you guys are getting along.
You're right. They should have done this sooner.
And I'm the last one.
Hey, guys!
What's up, Helly?
We just got a report that Mary's sleeping in one of these pipes you're loading.
Oh my gosh!
Cece, we need you to delay your departure.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Cece.
Mary! Mary!
Mary?
Holy, I don't see her anywhere.
There's no sign.
Where is it coming from?
I think I found her.
Hold on, I'll go check. Mary's in here.
I'm freaking out.
Calm down, Lecky. Amber, we should get out the airbag.
All right.
Lecky, can you rotate until the pipe is above the cushion?
All right, I'll try.
I'm scared. Please don't let me fall.
I can't take the pressure.
What are you doing, man? I wouldn't be shaking her around like that.
Yeah, that's right. Why are you shaking?
Then you do it.
Whoa! Calm down, Lecky.
Leffy, Letty, it's no time to bicker. Quiet. You should be working together to get Mary safely on the ground.
Poli's right. You should be supportive.
Come on, Lecky.
Okay.
Mary, don't you worry. You're going to be just fine.
Just nice and slow. Good job, Lecky.
Thanks.
Mary, you're safe now. Come on out.
Wow. All right. Oh. Huh? The machine stopped.
What?
Huh? The lights are off. Why are the lights off?
Spooky! Spooky!
Huh?
Help me, Spooky!
Huh? I'm here, friends.
Spooky, help us, please! We're all stuck here!
Huh? What's going on? This is awful. What are we going to do?
What's going on, Jin?
Our reserve power must be almost gone. Huh? This is bad. Control systems aren't responding. It won't let me reposition the windmills.
But then, when the wind comes, they aren't going to turn.
Oh no! The windmill was our last hope.
We're not giving up. Let's get out there. We'll try to move the windmills ourselves.
Yeah, we should be able to do that.
Let's move out.
Good, but you need to get there fast. The wind is coming.
Got it.
Amber, what's wrong?
My power's gone. I can't go any further.
Oh no!
I charged Posty so he could keep working. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Are you sure you'll be okay?
I'll be fine. You need to keep moving. You've got to get to the windmills.
Amber's right. You be careful here. We'll be right back.
Good luck.
They're all facing wrong directions.
We're going to have to turn them ourselves. Helly, can you do that?
Yes, I'm on it.
No, Helly! Are you okay?
I'm running low on power.
Roy, we need to give Helly our power.
You're right.
You can't. Then you guys won't be able to move.
We don't have time to come up with another plan. We have to.
Helly, can you do it?
Yes, I'll try. It's done!
Helly, the wind is picking up.
Roger! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
One more.
All done. Why aren't they turning? I did it wrong!
Oh, yeah!
Yay! The lights are on!
Helly, great job.
Yahoo! It worked! The windmills are turning!
Amber!
Hey, guys. Rescue team, this is Jen. Oh, it's Scooby.
Jen!
Is something wrong?
It's my balloons. The wind got a hold of them and they just blew away.
Blew away?
They're all gone. Now what am I going to do?
Don't worry, Scooby. There's got to be a way we can help you out.
Really?
I'm sure of it. I'll send a rescue team right away.
my friends! The whole thing is my fault. I was too excited and I wasn't paying attention.
Just try and relax. I'm sure we can help.
Why not try to find the balloon vendor again? I'm sure the vendor would be happy to sell you some more. No, that won't work. He only had 5 balloons left and they were special. Oh!
Don't cry, Schoolbee. We'll find your balloons, I know it.
You will?
I promise.
By the way, Schoolbee, do you know which direction the balloons drifted off?
Let me think. The blue airplane balloon and the orange star balloon flew behind City Hall, and the yellow butterfly balloon and the red heart balloon both flew to the west gate. But then the soccer ball, I have no idea where that balloon went, so now what?
Just stay calm. If we look for them together, we'll find them.
Right. Cheer up, Schoolbee.
Thank you, friends. I believe you're right.
Good. So let's go and find them all.
Let's go!
I'm sure I just saw some balloons up there.
Poli!
Huh? Posty!
Hey, what are you doing?
Posty, have you seen an airplane-shaped balloon around here?
A balloon? I just saw one sailing gently down the hill.
Really? Thanks, Posty! Huh? Oh, no! Well, at least you're safe now.
Where did it go? Silly. Though you may pretend to be an apple, you're still a balloon. Good catch.
Since I saw it first, it is mine.
I saw it before you, which means it's mine.
Excuse me.
Something wrong?
Sorry, but I have to take it. That balloon already belongs to someone.
It can't be true. If so, it's no big deal. I was bored with this balloon from the beginning.
Me too.
Me too.
Ah! Got you! You are a troublemaker. Oh no! I am still 1 balloon short. I need one for Toby. I have to give one to everyone.
So now what?
Oh! It's already 1. The kids will be getting out of school pretty soon. Oh no! What should I do?
Schoolbee!
Huh? Hey, look! Up there! A balloon!
What do you know?
Oh! That spire is going to pop the balloon! Whoa! What should I do? Don't worry, Schoolbee. I'll bring it back.
Helly, good job!